Welcome to the 21-22 school year here at East Hall High School. Excited to have you back, and we're having a lot of changes going on our campus over the next couple of years. We're going to do a lot of construction in this area of our building, which is going to add two new buildings to our campus, which is really going to help us be more functional and be more curb appeal. I wanted to go through some changes that we're going to do when it comes to traffic flow on our campus to help us for the next couple of years. So for parents, I want you to understand our student drop-off is going to be as follows. If you're coming down Old Canal, you're going to come down East Hall Road. You're not going to come into the campus this way. You're going to continue down East Hall Road to East Hall Drive. You're going to come in the back of the campus, and then you're going to make a right here at the front of at the side of the PAC. You're going to come around, and right in the front of the gym here, you're going to drop your students off. When you leave, you'll just exit out here and go out to East Hall Road. Again, if you're coming down East Hall Road this way, you're just going to make a left on East Hall Drive, come around, go to the side of the PAC, come around and drop off right in front of the gym. Again, exiting it out onto East Hall Road. Now, it's going to be very similar in the afternoon. We are not going to be coming down on this part of the campus because the construction on these two buildings will be occurring over the next couple of years. So we're going to make the adjustment. Again, if you're coming down Old Canal, East Hall Road, East Hall Drive, you're going to come through here, and we're going to start parking right here to get our students here. So we're going to actually, the flow of traffic will be coming around here, and then we'll be picking up our students right here. Again, when you leave, you're going to exit out East Hall Road as we go each way. So again, all of our parent pickup and drop off this year will be in front of the gym as we go forward. Just know that we will be blocking this area off at some point, so just know as the next couple of years, a lot of our transitions are going to be happening where our parent pickup, drop off, and various types of traffic are going to be dealt with back here until construction is completed. Thank you, and I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, email adam.rich@hallco.org.